Oh, oh. Whoa. Whoa, dude. What do I got? Well, hey everyone, Bill at Fishing with Dad, and we're at a place, a creek, that we haven't fished at since last summer. Cool little place, all kinds of stuff in it. Nothing big, but a hoot catching a variety of different species. So I wonder what it's been like, you know, over the winter and in through spring. If there's anything different in here now or anything bigger. So why don't we just quit yakking, get cracking, get to fishing, and let's see if there is anything bigger in there or anything different. So yeah, hey, thanks for watching, guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. I got all kinds of cool content, and yeah, I think you'll like it. I really think you'll like it. So yeah, let's get to fishing. Guys, I think we're going to just start off with a little trout magnet. And let's just see how we do. I got live bait with me, but yeah, let's just try the trout magnet. That's what I was using. Well, actually, I was using a little grub in here before, a little curly tail. And I was catching all kinds of stuff. So yeah, let's give this a shot. It's a busy little road right here. I like to have on the crappie magnets or the trout magnets, I like to have that hook right between the two little floppy things. I think I finally did it. So yeah, let's get to fishing. I used to come here in the evening and just sit down on that thing over there and fish. Used to do really good. So let's see what happens. Oh, had a hit already. Oh, got one. Hooey! Probably a creek chub. And that's what it is. Yeah, cute little creek chub. You would think after all the times that I'd be fishing, that I've fished, that I would be a little more prepared. But no. Sometimes all I think about is getting in there and fishing. Oh. Oh, caught one. Oh, this is a little bigger. I've got some decent size creek chubs in here. Yeah, here we go, guys. Now I caught a bunch of different sunfish out of here too. Oh. Now I don't know if there's any smallies in here. Got one. I know there's creek chubs and fall fish. And here's a fall fish. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a picture. Yeah, totally different than a creek chub. Mouth is smaller, they got a forked tail. Yeah, and a little broader. So that's three fishies. Okay, got one now. Boy, they're little fighters. Little fighters. Another fall fish. Yeah, let's see if we can get a better picture of this guy. Yeah. Yeah. See, they got the forked tail, a little broader than the creek chub, and their mouth is smaller. Oh, got one. Got one. Oh, I lost it. My drag was too loose for some reason. Oh, got one. This one looks like a sunny. Yeah, it is. Cool. Yay. Green sunfish. So that's 3 species. Yeah, that would. Oh, nice catch. Man, aren't green sunfish cool with those orange, the orange on them? Nice green. Oh, got one. Oh, another little green sunfish. Yay! Yeah, there we go, guys. Whoops. Just truck after truck after truck. Okay. Ooh. 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 Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? Smallmouth bass. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. A little smallie. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at this, guys. A little smallmouth. Yeah. Wow. Yes. Yes. There you go. Man. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. How cool is that? Okay. Smallmouth bass, fall fish, creek chub, green sunfish, 4 species out of this little hole. Man, just keep getting smacked. I don't know how many fish I've caught and how many I've missed, but I've only been fishing for 20 minutes. Oh, oh, oh. What do we got? Right, creek chub. Yeah. Yeah, see how creek chubs are have a bigger mouth and they're a lot thinner and not, you know, not as broad, I'm saying, as a fall fish. Oh. Okay, got one this time. Fall fish. Yeah. Squirmy. Fall fish. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Another greenie. Thinking? No, maybe not. What is this? Rock bass. Ho ho ho! Whoa! Rock bass. Ain't this the coolest thing since sliced bread? Yeah. I think that's 5 species. Ain't he beautiful? Okay. Rock bass, smallmouth bass, fall fish, creek chub, green sunfish. Yeah, 5. Oh, what do I got? What do I got? What do I got? Oh, nuts. I don't even know what it was. Oh, okay. Creek chub. Creek chub. He's a tub, the creek chub. A tub of a creek chub. Yeah. Come on, clouds. Oh, got one. Greenie. Little greenie. Yeah, that's probably what that was that I lost. Boy, they're beautiful. Oh, here we go. What do I got this time? Oh, what do I got? What do I got? Oh, small rock bass. Wow. Itty bitty rock bass. Yeah. Cool. Grow big. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, dude. What do I got? Bigger creek chub. She's fat. I think she's gonna be spawning. I think it's a she. Sure looks like it. Well, I was gonna show you, but it's getting ready to get out of my hand, so I didn't want it to hit her. I didn't want her to hit the rocks. Oh, what do I got? What do I got? My goodness. Oh. Is that a largie? No, that's a big creek chub. Oh. I think the biggest of the day so far, I'm thinking. Yeah. Yes. Oh, chubby. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, dude. What do I got? What is it? Rock bass. All right. What a little beastie. What a little beastie. Did I catch him before? Maybe not. Don't look like it. Wow. Nice little guy. Put up a whale of a fight. Woo-wee. Oh. I think it's another little rock bass. Yep. That's 4 little rock bass. Well, 2 decent sized ones and 2 little ones. All right, guys, got another one here. What do I got this time? Rock bass? Yep. Boy, 5 rock bass. 2 real small ones, 1 in between, and 2 pretty good sized ones. Uh-oh. I'll get you. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, nice rock bass. Wow. Wow. Knew there had to be something right there. Just knew it. Oh, man. Look at this guy. What a gorgeous fish. Just grazed the rock, but he's all right. I knew there had to be something in there. Man, that's 6 or 7 rock bass now. Unreal, guys. Unreal. Oh, oh. Another rock bass. Man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I get you. I get you. That's what, 7? I haven't caught that many rock bass since I was a boy. But we're going to call it, guys. Man, what a blast. What a stinking blast. This little tiny creek right here, just a little pool. Man, I caught 5 species out of here. Smallmouth bass, believe it or not. Rock bass, and a bunch of those. Fall fish, green sunfish, and the majority of the fish have been creek chubs, and some of them pretty good size. Man, can't complain. Guys, when you see a creek, don't overlook it. If you really, really like the fish, don't overlook it, because it can be killer. It can be a lot of fun and some real surprises. So this thing surprised me. I fished it 3-4 times last year, and had a blast then. This time, I think it was even more of a blast. So, yeah, we're going to call it. And as always, guys, we'll see you next time out here on the water. Hey, be safe out there. Have fun, but go fishing.